Okay, good morning, happy Xiaomi Day. So now, kailangan natin i-push ang bago nating produkto.
Stomp your feet, shake the stands, make some noise. This is your chance. Bring the drum, get up and dance. This is your moment. Clap your hands.
I am presenting the Redmi Note 13 with the tagline of "Every shot iconic."
Tandaan po natin, we are the king of the mid-range smartphone. Tayo ang leader ng innovation pagdating sa Philippine market. So, Xiaomi! Xiaomi! Number one!
So we would like to see how kung gaano kaganda yung pagtanggap natin sa Redmi 12. I hope ganun din yung maging kalabasan ng Redmi Note 13 series.
Kaya ba maging number 1 ang SGMA? How about NGMA? Okay, so yun lang. So sana for the Redmi Note 13 series, makita natin sa ranking number 1, number 2 ang GMA team. Okay, laban? So Xiaomi,
This is your chance. Bring the drum, get up and dance. This is your moment. Clap your hands. Let's see you dance.
With the Redmi Note 13 series! Yan. So I hope pagdating natin sa tindahan, yung energy natin, yung lakas natin dito, maparinig natin yan. Yung mga bagong na-launch ngayon. Pero alam nyo ba, na pinakamagaling na endorser ay kayo? Tama ba? So opportunity yan. Redmi Note 10 Pro, Redmi Note 11, Redmi Note 12. Malakas pero konti ang stocks. Redmi Note 13, mas maraming stocks. So, maraming incentive. So, maraming salamat. Thank you so much.